Split ends can make your hair look unhealthy, but there's ways to help prevent and treat them. So here are some tips to get rid of the split ends and keep your hair looking great. So number one, get regular haircuts. One of the best ways to remove split ends is to get a haircut every 6 to 8 weeks. A hairstylist can trim off the damaged ends and help your hair stay healthy. I know it goes without saying. Some people need to hear it. So number two, use conditioner. Always use a good conditioner after shampooing your hair. This helps your hair moisturized and it helps keep your hair moisturized and can prevent split ends from forming. Number three, limit heat styling. Less heat on your hair, the better. Blow dryers, curling irons, straightening irons, they damage your hair. So if you must use them, make sure to use a heat protectant spray. Number four, be gentle. So when you brush your hair, be gentle. Use a wide tooth comb to avoid plucking and breaking your hair. Start at the ends and work your way up. Number five, avoid tight hairstyles like ponytails, braids. They'll damage your hair. They'll cause your hair to stress. Because your hair stress gets split ends. You're going to lose your style instead. By following these tips, you're going to get healthy hair and you'll be free from split ends.